Hello friends, and this video is the final video of my mom being here. It was our last supper. So hope you enjoy. We went to one of our favorite restaurants, and for some reason we just always go whenever my family's in town, which is Whispering Canyon at the Wilderness Lodge, which is just a beautiful hotel. And my mom was looking up to see there's this kind of waltz and railroad exhibit kind of thing. I don't know. I video it so you can see it. It was really cool, and just to have the time to kind of explore the hotel was really fun. So yeah, this is the last video of the mom series, which is sad, and it's a couple weeks old, but hope you enjoy. Hello friends.
You look okay.
Guess what what?
Your tires.
Oh yeah, I got new tires. Guess what we're doing?
Going to Wilderness Lodge.
For what?
Food.
Because that's all we do. Hang
Yes.
up before we die. But I was saying as I was coming in and you didn't acknowledge me, it reminds me of the Dells every time we come here. Obviously this is much nicer than the Dells, but I'm just saying.
I'm coming.
In Wisconsin. She's coming. I'll show you the front though, so you don't have to look at my face. It does have the 50th banners. It's very quiet. There's nobody coming in. The security guard was very friendly. But yeah, it's a lodge feel, obviously, because it's called the Wilderness Lodge. Oh god. But it looks nice. Nice and pretty. And big. There's the signs that are in every hotel now. At least at the deluxe ones. This is deluxe, right? Uh-huh. Yeah. It is really pretty. It's so tall. I like the chandelier. I think you should get them for your house. That's where we're eating. Whispering Canyon. And it's steamy. We're on the bridge.
Yeah, but I thought you could turn around.
Oh, I thought someone was behind us. And the water flows all the way by the pool.
Both of us.
Their milkshakes are, I don't know why I said that so slow, their milkshakes are down. I need to figure out what I want to drink before I do this. Let's do...
Kara's gonna get a milkshake.
Me too. Too late for coffee. I guess Coca-Cola it is. Okay. So it's the traditional, the pig, land and sea, plant, New York strip, salmon, and then chocolate cake, apple pie, and no sugar.
I'm just gonna look at the map.
It's very empty in here.
You think the Disney side would have?
Yeah. So we got some cornbread. And then some coleslaw, which it looks amazing.
Okay.
So I'm excited. And mom's on the phone. I forgot to video. But I got the traditional skillet, and mom got the pig one.
There you go.
So far the coleslaw is really good, and so were the, what is that called? Cornbread. Bread. This is indeed the best meal of my life. Everyone's looking at me crazy because I'm eating I don't know, pig. But I ordered more ribs because they're really good.
And you got a ton.
Mom got more pulled pork, corn, and mashed potatoes. I feel like I'm gonna give birth.
I feel so sick. I want to throw up.
So it was good.
It was so
really
good. We ate too much. And then if you ask for something, they bring you
I got
3
so many
times the
ribs.
size.
So
Oh, God.
But we're happy, fat and happy.
Oh, it was so good.
I'm not gonna be able to get off this couch.
But yeah.
Here's the torch. I don't know what it's called. Tiki torch. I had the tiki room stuck in my head all day today. There it is. Isn't it cool? Okay, I'm gonna go throw up in the bathroom. Just kidding. Film for that picture? Yeah, the original film for that picture. Yep, from this Pacific train. Where's the next one? Oh, that's neat. It's pins, and it's all his trains. So, Lily Bell. Oh God, I can't read that. Walter, Elias Disney, Roger E. Bragg, Royo Disney. And then Walton Friend. Walton Nick.
Roger Brogy took this photograph of Walt Disney and Mickey Mouse at Disneyland on June 18, 1955. The headlamp has not yet been installed.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. On the brand new 5/8 scale steam engine.
That's cool. Is this the final one? Oh no, there's the train. Okay, read it please.
Okay. Working on the railroad. Walt Disney takes a turn on an authentic railroad handcar at Disneyland. The handcar was a gift presented to Walt by noted railroad historian Jerry Best.
Wow, you're such a good reader. Okay, over here. This is a long one. Like, really long.
I'm not gonna read all of it.
Okay, just read a summary. Oh, it's the Lily Bell. I'm sure it just talks about. If you want to read it, you can pause it.
I'm not gonna read it all. I can't even breathe digging down like that.
Okay.
There's more pictures.
Is this Lily?
Others.
Yeah, it's Lily. There's like a graph. No, a model. I don't know what words are. There's a whistle stop. There's another picture. This is his
Backyard.
Yeah, backyard in not Arizona, Missouri. Right? No, in California. I'm the worst. And then, oh, all his friends.
Oh, hi, Mom. Hi, babe.
Oh gosh. I can't hold it even. Sorry, everybody.
This was part of his collection.
This was part of his collection. It's the Carlwood Pacific train cars.
There's pictures of people sitting in like that one.
And this one. That's pretty cool. It's like something out of a postcard.
Oh my goodness, it's raining.
Looks like the tiki room. I'm obsessed with the tiki room. It's just very pretty back here in the DVC area. And we even got Mickey Mouse. There he is. Ow.
It's pretty, isn't it?
It is pretty. It's very foresty. We're one with wilderness. Hope you enjoyed that little video. As always, I do want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a magical day. Look forward to tomorrow when we're in Magic Kingdom for the 50th. I am so excited, and I hope you are too. I have a feeling I'm gonna video a lot, so it might be multiple parts. We'll see though. We'll see how much I record. I'm gonna get up at like 6 a.m. to leave, and just to make sure I can get there for opening because I want to see the show. So yeah, anyways, that's me blabbering. Have a magical day. Thanks for watching. Bye.